It is the female genital system.
It is the external part of vagina. It is vulva, and it is the part of rectum, large diameter, and this tendon is called broad ligament, which ligament covered the whole female genital system, and it is the urinary bladder. It is the body of uterus. It is the horn of uterus. Horn of uterus. There is no ovary. But
There is a
the
present
last part
ovary.
of horn,
Ovary.
here ovary is present. Ovary is present. On the ovary we can see
A small.
some projected something. If this is soft follicle, if this follicle is soft, this is normal. But if this follicle is rough or tough, it is the
Abnormal.
symbol of abnormalities. And it is the last part of ovary. Last part of ovary. Here, within this mesosplings, we can feel a tube-like structure that is
Fallopian
called
tube.
fallopian tube. Fallopian tube, and
একদম আগে গিয়ে একটা অ্যামব্রেলার মতো একটা ইয়া থাকবে এখানে একটা হচ্ছে
the end
ওপেনিং
part
থাকবে
of the imbricated end of the ovary. Here we see a opening named ostium.
Ostium.
Named ostium.